Good morning, everyone. It is Saturday, January 22nd, 2022, and I am getting ready to make beer dip. I've already done a video on this, so I'm not going to make it on camera. I will have a link down below of that video. I just wanted to talk real quick because I am making this for a trivia night tonight. So I'm not for sure if trivia night is like a St. Louis thing or if everyone across the US and other countries do trivia night. So trivia night in St. Louis is local school districts will get together and throw fundraisers for various sports organizations. So tonight, my niece's basketball team is throwing this trivia night. And so for trivia night, either a company or a person or a bunch of people together will get together and sponsor a table of 8 people, costs around $160. My brother-in-law is sponsoring the table tonight. So we all bring snacks. Drinks are provided, but we all bring snacks to share among our table. And then there will be like 10 rounds of trivia, and the table that gets the most right will win a cash prize. And then there will also be silent auction items that the kids went and got companies to donate. And then there will be like raffles for other prizes and music and a bar, and just, it's a lot of fun. I've done this numerous times because I used to work for a school district in the accounting department about 10 years ago. And the accounting department that I worked in would all get together, and whenever a club from that school would throw a trivia night, we'd all go. And it's a lot of fun. So I don't know if you guys are familiar with that. I will try to do some video of the trivia night tonight, like maybe show some of the silent auction stuff, maybe a couple of the questions, but just if you're all curious, what the heck is a trivia night like when it's thrown by a school? I've heard of like bars having trivia nights and stuff, but this is an actual like school fundraiser for a basketball team. Hope that makes sense. I'll come back around in a minute. Holly's got 60. You're too slow. I'm going around you. Movie night one. See anything you like yet?
I don't know.
We got 40 tickets.
Okay, 40 tickets.
Ooh, adult mystery.
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, here's a blues vodka box.
A blues one?
Here, put a couple in there.
You need to use your phone, please exit out of the lobby. There's no dollar sign on the piece of land.
All right.
Dollar sign on the piece of land. Number 3 and 4 winners.
Wait, you win? The black cat one? Are you serious?